What's going on, guys? It's Jamar from Lifeforabusiness.com. Today in this video, I'm discussing how to build business credit, how you can establish a net 30 or a net 60 account with Home Depot, also how you can get these net accounts without a personal guarantee if your business credit is strong enough. If you like the content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel to help my channel grow. Also, remember one thing: retirement is a number, not an age. Write that somewhere, put that on your refrigerator or something, all right? Now, one of the main reasons I was really looking forward to actually establishing a net 30 account with Home Depot is because later this year, I will finally be getting my first investment property. You know, they pretty much have everything I need, whether it's paint, appliances, and building materials. To sign up for a net 30 or a net 60 account, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the top right corner where it says credit services. Okay. Now, once you hit the credit services page, it's going to show you personal and business credit cards, but we're going to ignore these cards. We're going to go straight to the commercial cards, guys. Now, there are actually two commercial cards. There's the commercial revolving charge card, which is basically a credit card because you can make low monthly payments, but you can also pay it in full. It also allows you to have authorized users. It also allows you to have fuel savings where you can save on gas, and you can actually return items for up to a year, which is pretty cool. Now, this card does have one major flaw. You have to personally guarantee to actually get this card, and I'm not trying to personally guarantee any card whatsoever. Okay, the card that we want to apply for is this card, the commercial account. Now, the commercial account allows you to actually get this card without personally guaranteeing it, as long as you have a strong business credit profile. Okay, so you're not liable for anything. Okay, doesn't show up on your credit report or anything, which is one of the main reasons why we build business credit, to not show up on your credit report. Now, once you're ready, you got all your paperwork, all of your information, and you're ready to apply for this card, now you're going to go to the application page. Okay, it's going to pretty much ask you for all your information, your legal business name. If you're doing business as another name, you can enter that as well. It's going to ask you for your contact information. It's going to ask you for your billing information. It's going to ask you for your business structure, what type of business you have, whether you have a S Corp or C Corp. It's going to ask you even details about your revenue and employee information. Okay, even the age of your business. All right. Now, the main reason why we applied for this card is so that we don't have to personally guarantee anything, okay? Now, hopefully your business credit is strong enough to actually get this card. Now, if your business credit is not strong enough, you can actually use a personal guarantee to kind of help you out in getting this card. But why would you want to have your name attached to anything regarding your business? You want to keep it completely separate, in my opinion. Okay, now they're also going to ask you a few questions like, does your business make 2 million? Do you have less than 10 employees, or have you been incorporated for less than 3 years? Those things I figured out don't really matter because my business does not make $2 million. Okay, and I still got this card without a personal guarantee. They will actually also give you two options. Now, you can select a net 30 or a net 60 account. Now, this is completely up to you. I chose net 60 because it gives me a little bit more leeway, a little bit more flexibility. Now, when I applied for this card, I didn't get an instant approval. I had to actually call in to verify a few things about myself and about my business. Now, I did not have to submit any personal or business paperwork or anything like that, and I was still able to get this card with no personal guarantee. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this video all the way towards the end. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. Also, go to the business credit playlist, okay? We're going to be uploading business credit videos once a week on that playlist, okay? Make sure you guys check it out. Right now, I'm fixing the website to where we're actually going to have a shop on there. We're going to have a few t-shirts and a few merchandise up there as well. But as you know, I can't go without saying this. Retirement is a number, not an age. It's a number, not an age. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm out.